Namaste and welcome to VD Decode YouTube channel.
If you've ever looked at a financial chart and felt like you were staring at a wall of alien code or confusing math, you aren't alone. It looks intimidating, but the logic underneath is actually quite human. At any given moment, the market is a giant tug-of-war. Buyers pull the rope up, fueled by the optimism that prices will keep rising. On the other side, sellers drag it down because they're nervous about a drop or ready to take their profits and go home. A candlestick pattern is simply the footprint left in the dirt after one of these matches. It shows us exactly how the struggle played out between the starting whistle and the moment the timer ran out. This chart shows how we map that struggle. Look at the central colored block. Think of this as the main scoreboard for the round. The top and bottom edges mark exactly where the price stood when the opening whistle blew and where it ended when the timer ran out. Traders call this the real body of the candle. The color tells you who won the round. A green candle means the buyers successfully pulled the price higher by the end of the match. A red candle means the sellers overpowered them, dragging the rope into their own territory. Now, look at those thin lines poking out of the top and bottom. We call those wicks, or shadows. These show the absolute furthest point the losing team managed to yank the rope during the match, right before they lost their grip and got dragged back toward the center. Every single candle provides a summary of a specific battle. It shows you the winner, but it also reveals exactly how hard the other side fought before they gave up. Once you know how to read a single battle, you can start looking for moments where the winning team begins to lose their grip on the rope. For instance, if the buyers have been winning round after round, you might see a candle with a tiny body and a very long wick on top. We call this a shooting star. It proves the buyers tried to pull the rope even higher, but the sellers violently slammed them back down before the whistle blew. Or, at the top of a climb, you might see a long wick pointing down, creating a shape called a hanging man. Even if the buyers manage to win that specific round, that long lower wick is a warning that sellers are starting to test the buyer's strength. This works in reverse, too. If the sellers have been dominating and you spot an inverted hammer, a small candle with a long upward wick, it means the buyers are finally waking up. They were pushed back eventually, but that sudden upward surge shows they are fighting back. Whenever you see a long wick stretching out against the current direction of the trend, the market is flashing a warning light. It's showing you that the momentum is exhausted and the rope is about to snap back the other way. Of course, some battles are too big to settle in a single day. The market often takes 2 or 3 matches to reveal a true change in power. Take the engulfing pattern. This happens when one team scrapes by with a tiny victory on Monday, only to face a massive counterattack on Tuesday. The second day's candle is so large that it visually swallows up the entire range of the previous day. Then there are full 3-act plays, like the Morning Star. Act 1, strong win for sellers. Act 2, a tense tie. Act 3, a definitive buyer's surge. These multi-day combinations confirm that one side hasn't just scored a lucky point, they've taken over the entire tournament. These tug-of-war matches occur within a specific environment. You can think of the playing field as having a floor and a ceiling. The floor is what we call support. This is a price level where a massive crowd of buyers is waiting. Every time the price drops to this floor, they step in, catch the rope, and bounce it right back up. The ceiling is resistance. This is the upper limit where sellers are waiting in ambush to bat the price back down, preventing the buyers from climbing any higher. A reversal pattern is most powerful when it happens right against one of these boundaries. It proves the boundary held firm, giving the other team the perfect opening to take control. When you look at a live chart now, every shape represents the same struggle we saw in the simplified animations. You can see the story unfolding in real time. You can spot where the buyers got exhausted, where the sellers staged an ambush, and exactly where the momentum began to shift. These charts are essentially physical maps of human emotion. Every candle reflects the collective hope, fear, and indecision of millions of people all pulling the rope at once. By identifying the footprints left behind by these shifting feelings, you can anticipate where the rope might move next. You're no longer just looking at lines, you're watching the match.